Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to enable or disable the remote starter. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, if your Nissan Altima is equipped with remote starter, you will have it here on the key fob, this top icon. And if your remote starter is not working, now what you have to do, first thing to do is check the vehicle settings. So you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you'll be looking at this main screen on the instrument cluster. So keep pressing right until you reach the settings icon, and once you are here you want to scroll down until you reach vehicle settings, press OK, and then again scroll all the way down to remote engine start. You want to make sure this is turned on. Now if I press OK, this on button will gray out, so that means it's turned off actually. So you want to make sure this is green and on. If this is on and your remote starter is still not working, then in that case, next step is to scan the system with the OBD2 scanner to make sure there is no codes, and then you have to take a vehicle probably to a shop or something for them to diagnose what's going on. But this is something you can do by yourself. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.